In my childhood, this is what I have done even in my childhood. This used to be my game. This used to be my leela, to go to various satsang places, meet many masters, and kirtan is a big part of all places. Huh? And we would just sing the bhajan, and we would sing loud. And when I do the singing over here, तुम लोगों को ना देख के मुझे एक हिंदी फिल्म याद आ जाती है. तुम्हारी जो शक्ल बनी होती है ना जब मैं गा रही होती हूँ, वो शक्ल पता कैसी होती है. मैंने बचपन में आई थिंक सो 1975 में शायद शोले फिल्म आई थी. सिनेमा हॉल में हमने अपने माँ बाप के साथ देखी थी. और उसमें वो एक सीन था जिसमें वो कांच तोड़ देता है शायद पत्थर पे, और हीरोइन को कहता है नाच, अब नाच. और वो रो रही है और उसके बॉयफ्रेंड को बांध के रखा हुआ है और वो रो रही है और उसको कह रहे नाच जब तक तेरे पैर चलेंगे. तब तक उसकी सांस चलेगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट, कुछ ऐसा डायलॉग वो बोलते. मैंने ये देखा जब हम कीर्तन करते हैं, जब हम कुछ गाते, तुम लोगों की शक्ल बिल्कुल वैसी हीरोइन जैसी बनी होती, सिट्टी पिट्टी गुम. हाँ, दिल ते खोल प्यारे. What does kirtan mean? What does chanting mean? Chanting is the time when you should open your heart and you should sing, and sing like a child. Don't hold back. जेड़े दिल ते ताले लाए ना किन्ने सारे ताले खोल देना आज. And you sing with your whole heart. So sing this bhajan with me. Prabhu ji tum bade dayalu ho, Lord you are compassionate one. Prabhu ji tum bade kripalu ho, oh Lord you are the kindest one. Prabhu ji hum bacche tere hai, Prabhu, Lord we are your children. We love you and you love us, and this is what is making us joyous. So let's enjoy this feeling. Yeah? I know even if you don't have this kind of love in your heart, you can still act, right? You can, don't you? Kholo daya ka dwar, kholo daya ka dwar, Prabhu ji ab kholo daya ka dwar, Prabhu ji ab kholo daya ka dwar. तेरा मेरा साथ पुराना, तेरा मेरा साथ पुराना, तू दाता मैं भिखारी, तू दाता मैं भिखारी. प्यार की भिक्षा डाल दो अब तो, प्यार की भिक्षा डाल दे अब तो. खड़ा मैं झोली पसार, प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार, प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार. खोलो दया का द्वार, खोलो प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार, प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार. कई जन्मों से भटक रहा हूँ, कई जन्मों से भटक रहा हूँ, मत करना इनकार, मत करना इनकार। प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार, प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार, खोलो दया का द्वार, खोलो दया का। प्रभु जी अब खोलो दया का द्वार, प्रभु जी अब। मैंने ओ तेरे नाल लाया, अपना आप चढ़ाया, मेहरा दे साई मेर करी, मेर करी साई। ओ मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी, 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 मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी। मेहरां दे सदके मैं दर ते आया, तेरे जे दर ते मैं कईयां नू देखिया, तू पार लगाया। मेहरां दे सदके मैं दर ते आया, दर ते आके मैं अलख जगाया। सुन ले तू अर्ज मेरी दाता, सुन ले तू अर्ज मेरी, मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी, मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी, मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी, मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी। वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी मेहरा वालिया मेहरा वालिया। फकीर सारे तेन पे पाल दे कर कर बंदगी दिला बिच साल दे कर कर बंदगी दिला बिच साल दे। सुन ले तू सुन ले तू सुन ले तू सुन ले तू अर्ज मेरी मेहरा वालिया मेहरा वालिया प्यार से मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते मेहर करी मेहरा वालिया मेरे ते this should become a call of your heart, that you're always seeking the kindness, the compassion of Lord. But the truth is this, once you are in this wavelength, you don't even have to ask, it is already showering on you. It's just like sun is all out, and a person who has bandaged thick blind on his eyes is saying, "Oh sun, be compassionate on me, show me yourself, I want to see you." But he's not removing the blindfold. So you have to remove the blindfold, and sun is right there shining in front of you. Only if you know how to internalize your mind, quieten up your mind, leaving the desires on the side, leaving the lust and the greed of this temporal world, and moving for that permanent, inner, omniscient existence. You are already being showered, but still, always open your heart to the Lord, and from the world, save it. Don't give your heart to anybody else. This heart deserves only the beloved. Let the beloved own it. ये दिल सिर्फ परमात्मा की जागीर हो सकता है, ये दिल हर एक को नहीं दे देना चाहिए। दुनिया में रिश्ते हैं, रिश्तों को निभाना चाहिए, माँ बाप, भाई बहन, पति पत्नी, बच्चे, हाँ, इन सब के जो रिश्ते हैं उन रिश्तों को निभाओ, लेकिन अपने मन को उनके साथ मत लगाओ। And always remember this, other than Lord, nobody is your own for real. Everything else is unreal, illusion. Give time to yourself. Give time to do your practice. Early morning, at least half an hour. See, our old scriptures, almost all scriptures have said about this, that every human being who is sane, wise, intelligent should give away 10% of his time, 10% of his money, 10% of his mind and physical energy to God. मतलब 10% तुम्हारी आमदनी का दान होना चाहिए, किसी अच्छे सेवा कार्य में लगना चाहिए। 10% तुम्हारे शरीर की शक्ति का सेवा में लगना चाहिए। 10% तुम्हारे मन का परमात्मा के चिंतन सुमिरन में लगना चाहिए। आपसे सारा नहीं मांग रहे। किसी ने कहा भाई 10% तो बहुत सारा होता है। You know, if you are earning $100, then it means donate $10. Give it away. Donation is a very ugly word. I don't like it. Giving it away in service. So if you earn, say, $100, then the equation says give away $10. Now come on, help me out. My maths is not very good. If you are earning $1,000, then how much? If you are earning 2,000, then how much? If you are earning 100,000 in a year, then how much? That is a rule. Somebody said it is too much. Then the sages gave a very beautiful answer. They said, those who give away 10%, their remainder 90 will remain safe. Those who don't give 10%, they'll have to give away everything. So pick your bargain. Give your 10% of your mind to sadhana. That means out of 24 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes should be given for this work. 2 घंटा और 20 मिनट, 24 घंटे का 10वां ये बनता है, ये आपका सुमिरन अभ्यास में लगना चाहिए। Do you do this? Do you practice this? Most of people are looking, we never knew it. So how would we practice it? No problem. Today I have told you. Let's see now whether you do it or not. Okay, just 2 small questions in the end. Somebody has said that please make a DVD step by step about yoga, and we cannot come to India specially for this. Well, if you cannot come to India specially for this, then keep your ordinary life with you, but I am not going to make a DVD of yoga asana, because for yoga it has to be one-on-one basis. It is just like somebody says, make a DVD of how to swim, send me, I will see that DVD and learn swimming. Can you do that? I challenge you. Yoga is something which is of one-on-one basis. So anyhow, my dear, if you cannot come to India, then we have something happening in New Jersey. Please come there and learn it. What is the issue? Narendra Gupta. Okay. Question is, what should be our spiritual path? Bhakti Marg or Gyan Marg? It doesn't matter which marg, which way you choose for yourself, but you have to be totally into it, whether it is Jnana Marg or whether it is the Bhakti Marg. When we say Bhakti, then people think then once in a while going to the temple or maybe every morning doing a arati is the Bhakti. That is not. When we say Bhakti, then as per Srimad Bhagavad Gita, total surrender to Lord, giving away your ego to Lord, giving away lust, greed is Bhakti. Having a total silence of mind is Bhakti. Having always Lord's name in your heart, mind and tongue is Bhakti. Bhakti isn't just, having some pictures of gods in your home and doing arati once in a while. That is not Bhakti. Going once in a while to a temple is not Bhakti, but purifying your mind and surrendering to Lord and polishing your intellect is Bhakti. And for Jnana, it says, moving towards your own real self, understanding what is body, mind, senses, and your subconscious and consciousness, and then coming out of it, transcending all of this, that is the path of Jnana. So whatever path you may choose, you will still need a guru. You will still need a guide who can make you walk this path. अपने आप से तो होने वाला नहीं है ये. Satvik Gupta, I think so. These are your kids who have. Okay. Why are we born and the God takes an avatar? Nice question. We are born, it is said, because we are born with bondages. We have loads of our past karmas with us, hence we are made to be born, pushed to be born. But when we say avatar or the incarnation, they choose to come. That's a different story, right? Got it. He got it. He's just 5 years old, maybe 6, and he says, I've got it what you have said. Even adults don't get it what I say. Okay, I have another question from Abhinav. Who is this? It's you again. Good boy. Abhinav has a question for me. Can you be my guru? Abhinav, I have a question as an answer for you. Can you be my student? Oh, that's fine then. I don't like to be somebody's guru because this is a big ego competition for them. How come she calls herself a guru? Nobody is a guru. She's just a common woman. How dare she says I'm a guru? They begin to do this fight with me. So I am guru of nobody. If I have to say, then I'll say I am guru of my own mind. My mind is my best chela. That's the best disciple which I have, my mind. So I don't wish to become anybody's guru, but I do take students. I do make people, I give them the association, I give them chance to learn from me. So I am more happy to accept you as a student. I don't want to be your guru. That's fine? He's fine. I'm fine then. We have a deal today. लोग ना ये पूछते हैं, जी हमको गुरु बनाना चाहिए, जी हमको गुरु किसको बनाना चाहिए. आज तक किसी ने ये सवाल नहीं पूछा कि हमको एक अच्छा चेला कैसे बनना चाहिए. Nobody asks this question, how to be a good seeker. They are always looking, who is the guru whom we should make our guru? And I say, don't look for any guru. First, be a good seeker, be a good disciple. And Hafiz, a great Sufi mystic, has said that once the disciple is ready, the murshid is going to come to you. You cannot find murshid. Murshid means the real teacher. The murshid, the word in Hindi would be guru, and the word guru means the one who dispels the darkness. जो अंधेरे को दूर कर देता है, उसको गुरु कहते हैं. And हफीज कहता है, जिस दिन शिष्य तैयार हो जाता है, जिस दिन उसकी खोज सच्ची होती है ना, उस दिन उसको ढूंढता हुआ गुरु खुद आ जाएगा. इसलिए इस बात की तुम चिंता मत करो गुरु कौन है या कौन नहीं.
Thank you.